Level 1 families, this is your instructional video for how to make your very own box violin or viola. This instrument will be used during some of the curriculum in your Sprouts classes and will also be able to be used during your home practice. If you're brand new to Level 1, you'll want to come to the conservatory after August 30th and visit our reception desk, and they will hand you this lovely kit with your box instrument supplies. If you're a returning Level 1 family and your box instrument maybe took a trip somewhere else, you are welcome to come to the conservatory to get that as well. So here is what you'll pick up from our reception desk. Inside your box, you will have a few items. You have a paint stick. You have a rubber band, which will get used for your bow. You'll also pick up your bow, which is your dowel. And inside there is also an eraser that goes with your bow, as well as a small piece of straw. So once you've taken these items out, go ahead and close your box instrument back up. And if it's like mine, you might need a piece of tape to keep this shut. A couple pieces should do it. All right. So to attach our first step, which is your paint stick, you'll want to have some sort of glue or tape on hand. I'm using wood glue today, but you're welcome to use a hot glue gun. Elmer's glue might not hold, so another kind of craft glue would be helpful, or like I said, tape in a pinch will also help. So once you've got your glue or other item ready to go, your paint stick should hit on your box instrument roughly where the bottom of your hand would hit on the box. So that's about the right area where the bottom of my stick is going to go. So I'll put my glue on the back and have it in that area. Okay, and let that dry. While that is drying, you'll take the piece of your straw, and your straw will go roughly 1 thumb width below the bottom of your paint stick. So that's roughly in this vicinity. A little bit of glue. Hopefully yours is much neater than mine. And your piece of straw. All right. While that is drying, you can set that off to the side. Bring over your dowel, which should already have a corn pad on the end of it. So when you leave the conservatory, make sure you see one of those on there. You will take your half piece of eraser and put it upside down, facing away from the side of that corn pad. And then, with some of the best handiwork ever, you are going to attach it with your rubber band, so it fits snugly. So a few times around. Okay. Good, so your bow is ready to go. And hopefully by this point your box is on its way to being completely dry. And once that's done, your Sprout can decorate it in any way they want. We really want them to feel some ownership to this instrument. So if they want to put their name on it, decorate it with stickers, with markers, whatever they want to do to it, we want them to feel this connection to this instrument as well as the actual wood instrument they'll get during their first class. This instrument can be used, as I mentioned, during home practice sessions, maybe when the wood instrument isn't an option for the day, and your teacher will give you some other ideas of when this can be used. So again, this instrument can be available to pick up after August 30th at the OCM reception desk. Directions to the conservatory can be found online. Our address is 7023 Cass Street. Please give us a call if you have any questions finding us, and we will see you in Sprouts class soon.